Welcome to 287 Harvard. Thanks for joining me on another property tour. This time we're in Markham, and I want to show you some of my favorite features of this house. For example, this front door. Most people would walk right past this front entrance and not realize this is a $7,000 front door. Maybe they notice that it's 8 feet tall and it's got a walnut finish, but they don't realize it's got a multi-point locking system. That makes it extra secure because it takes a lot more force to kick down this front door. Also, these jambs, this is all fiberglass, so it will never rot. All the windows in the home and even the garage door have been replaced too. The windows are still under warranty for the next owner. This kitchen was completely gutted in 2016. Originally, it had a knee wall here and very dated finishings, but that knee wall has since been replaced with this beautiful black cosmic granite. There's an overhang so that there's a breakfast bar. I especially love this waterfall edge. All the cabinets here are custom made for the dimensions of this kitchen. There's even an extra wide spice rack and a Lazy Susan. This master ensuite was completely renovated in 2016. The original was not very exciting. It had a single sink vanity and just very outdated finishings. Now you get a master ensuite that is something you would expect from a brand new home. There's a glass shower stall with a Grohe rainfall shower system. This was not a cheap upgrade. This double sink vanity was made possible because the original vanity was wide enough to accommodate it, and there was a cavity here that was just wasted space. Again, all new windows specifically for this master ensuite, still under warranty for the next owner.